As Idaho's premier research institution, the University of Idaho has a strong tradition of catalyzing development. In 2010, this legacy was continued when the U of I ratified its official climate action plan, committing itself to emission neutrality. Since then, the U of I has made progress in reducing its emissions, but now it's time to take bigger steps. Electricity usage accounts for over 2/3 of campus greenhouse gas emissions, making it the most important factor in reducing our collective footprint. That's why the Sustainability Center, in collaboration with facilities, has developed the plans for a large solar power array, the first of its kind on campus. The array will be situated on the roof of the newly built Integrated Research and Innovation Center, providing clean and low-cost electricity to the building. The installation is planned to consist of 393 individual panels that collectively will produce up to 145,000 watts of power. Over its lifetime, the system will generate more than 5 million kilowatt hours of energy, in the process saving the university $462,000 and eliminating 4.3 million pounds of CO2 emissions. In addition to these benefits, the existence of a large solar array on campus also has the potential to provide data for university researchers, as well as augment classroom education on clean energy sources. The University of Idaho has a critical role to play in accelerating the world's transition to renewable energy. If you are interested in supporting this initiative, please consider donating at one of our pledge levels and/or sharing this campaign with your friends, family, and coworkers. Thank you for your support.